In our previous video, we have seen what is noise pollution. We have discussed what is noise pollution, right? So, noise pollution is caused when the sound levels are above the normal range. Okay, it is loud, distracting, and harmful for human ears as well as for birds and animals. Then, we have also discussed the causes of noise pollution, right? The causes are bursting of crackers, high volumes of television and radio sets, honking of horns of motor vehicles, construction activities, blaring of loudspeakers, machinery in factories, etc. All this produces loud noise, okay, and generates or is responsible for noise pollution. Now, let us see the effects of noise pollution. Now, constant exposure to loud levels of noise, that is, if you are constantly hearing the loud noise, what will happen? It will cause damage to our eardrums. If our eardrums are damaged, what will happen? It will result in the loss of hearing. Loss of hearing means we will not be able to hear. Okay, if our eardrums are damaged, it will result in the loss of hearing. Then, noise pollution can have a huge impact on hearing and stress level of animals and birds also. Not only human, but also the hearing ability of the animals and birds can also be affected. That is, even they can lose the hearing. Okay. Third, health hazards such as hypertension, blood pressure, breathing problems, and sleep disorders are also caused due to noise pollution. So, blood pressure we all know, right? So, our blood pressure may increase or decrease. Then we may face breathing problems, sleep disorders. What do you mean by sleep disorders? That is, either we'll sleep too much or we'll sleep less. Okay, so these are sleep disorders. Then hypertension also. So these are some of the effects. Now, what can be done to avoid noise pollution or to prevent noise pollution? So let us discuss some preventive measures. So some preventive measures of noise pollution. First, silencers and noise absorbing material should be used in vehicles wherever possible. So we know when there's lot of traffic, it creates lot of sound, right? So the vehicles sometimes create a lot of sound. So what we have to do, we have to use silencers in our vehicle or noise absorbing materials. Nowadays there are many materials which are noise absorbing, that is, they absorb noise. Okay, so such things should be used in the vehicles. Then use of loudspeakers and bursting of crackers during festivals should be minimized. Okay, if you cannot stop it, at least we should minimize it. We should only do it when it's required, or we should do it in less amount. Okay, firstly we should not use it, but even if we are using it, we should try to minimize it. So these are some preventive measures with the help of which we can stop noise pollution.